Yeah, it's okay. Not too spicy. Wow. And I think my
Enjoying the fruits of our labour. Yum yum. We are here at Warung Mesari, this little hidden gem that we found. This is called an udang. It's a traditional, is it a Balinese headdress? Yeah.
ceremony.
A ceremonial headdress, and I'm just wearing it because we are ceremoniously eating at this fancy place. Just this little hidden gem that we found. Nice little fairy lights around there. If I can show you around. This is so cute. Adorable. I'm not sure if the quality of the light was good enough so you could see, but there is like a little fountain out there. Very cool. Enjoying our time over here. Don't want to leave. I don't know what else to say.
So Matt's food's just come out. He is, I think he's in love more with the food than me at the moment.
Oh my god.
So what did you get, Matt?
I got, it was Masari peppers.
Masari peppers. And I got kare ayam.
With ayam. Mine was Masari peppers ayam.
So masari peppers ayam, which is chicken. And I got kare ayam, which is chicken curry with rice. And they do it like a little love heart. Very awesome.
Just showing off some more of this beautiful scenery. Flows down into this river here. I will get some better pictures. That's where we were eating, just over there. Beautiful. And for some reason the goldfish here are huge. I can't even really call them goldfish. They're like the size of baby salmon, almost. And we've got a doggo. Doggo! Doggo! Came to this Warung Mesari, and out in their courtyard was like this whole gallery of paintings. And they are beautiful. Which in Bahasa is cantik.
Or bagus. Bagus is good.
Bagus is good for food. Cantik is what Natalie is. Beautiful. I'm just showing everyone. So I don't know if you can see many of these in this light. It'd be a bit hard. Which one do you like?
That one's the yellow. Oh, you can't see it. It's true. Really nice. Not only do they have all this art gallery, they've also got 3 little owls that are the most gorgeous little things. And a parrot that Matt decided he would teach Star Wars noises to. So didn't comprehend that, but.
You tell everyone where we are.
At a cooking class, but I can't remember the name of it.
We're at Canting, Bali, Balinese cooking class organizer. I'm gonna see what we can make. Hey guys, alright, we've just finished our first cooking class for traditional Balinese food. Oh, it's very warm in here, and these are the fruits of our labour. Beautiful presentation, and our whole class made all of these with guidance from Made over there. Say hi, Made! If you're ever coming to Bali, you should definitely check out these guys. I will provide a link down below. Are you guys on Instagram?
Yeah.
Yep, I will provide a link down below.
On TripAdvisor, will be okay.
Sorry?
TripAdvisor, in Facebook, we do.
Okay, cool. Awesome, I will provide those links down below in the on my page after all these photos. Alright, now time to eat.